A Durban mother has found some justice following the murder of her 25-year-old daughter in late October 2022. Sasha Lee Shah was gunned down at a shopping mall by her ex-boyfriend Inderlall, who then committed suicide. She had sought a protection order with an addendum to remove Inderlall's firearm, but police failed to do this. The Durban Magistrate's Court delivered judgment in a state inquest this week. Newzroom Afrika's Karinda Jagmohan reports.
For 17 months, Sasha Lee Shah's mother left no stone unturned in her quest for justice.
She has done this for you, so because I know she's watching, I know.
Jessica Shah vividly recalls the eyewitness testimony of her 25-year-old daughter's final moments at the hands of Inderlall.
As the witness turned to sit in the passenger seat, she saw Kyle approaching my daughter. So she bent down into the vehicle and she asked her, "Lee, must I get help?" And Lee nodded 3 times yes. So whilst the witness ran for help, she heard the first gunshot and thereafter multiple gunshots.
With closure in sight, the family now awaits answers about the fate of a Phoenix police officer who failed to remove the perpetrator's firearm.
The magistrate further stated that, based on facts and evidence, the captain in charge of the domestic violence unit at Phoenix Police Station, who failed to remove the firearm when she served Inderlall the interim protection order that my daughter had against him, has now been referred to the National Directorate of Public Prosecutions for further investigation. The question remains, why did she not remove his firearm?
Meanwhile, at the Pietermaritzburg Magistrate's Court, another mother is a step closer to justice for her daughter, Karinda. The popular gospel singer was killed on the eve of Mother's Day last year by her husband, Ian Rawlins, who pleaded guilty this week. Sentencing is expected on Monday.
I've been in from one court to another. We've never been in court in our lives. This is all new for us. I've been in court with him trying to fight me for his own little girl, trying to look after his daughter. He's been fighting me on that. But I'm grateful that God came through for me there too. I had to get an attorney and fight him, and I won for the child. So it's this one, and once this is over now, we can go on with our lives as well.
As both mothers mourn their daughters, they've been supported by various activist groups through the grueling search for justice.
GBV is something that is swept under the carpet. It's a taboo subject. And I myself had experiences in the past 17 months where people have mocked me, they've ridiculed me.
For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Karinda Jagmohan in Durban.